Print on demand is one of the best business ideas for designers. Even if you're not an expert graphic designer, you can start a print-on-demand business because various AI art generators are capable of generating outstanding designs from text prompts. However, in this era of competition, creating a good design is not the only criterion to achieve a good amount of sales. You have to present the product uniquely and professionally. Look at this image. This is a t-shirt design mock-up model. And now look at this image. This is the same t-shirt design, but presented more professionally. In this video, I am going to share the step-by-step method of creating this kind of supermodel with the help of AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, let's create a design. For example, I want to make a t-shirt design. There are so many art generators like Midjourney, Ideogram, Leonardo AI, or DALL-E. You can generate a design with any of them. Before creating a design, I always suggest researching the market to find out which kind of product or design is trending at the moment. For example, this t-shirt has got huge sales on Etsy and over 20 are still in the cart. That means this kind of design is popular at the moment. Let's create a new but similar design. To create my design, I will use a t-shirt designer custom GPT from ChatGPT. You can use any AI art generator platform. After selecting the GPT, I am simply typing, I want to create a t-shirt design about an octopus playing drums. And here is our design. It's looking quite good. Now download the image to your device. You can customize the design with any photo editor. Okay, our design is ready. Now it's time to host this design on a print-on-demand platform. Printify is one of the best platforms to do this. After logging into Printify, come to the Catalog tab and then select your desired product. For example, I want to create a female t-shirt design. After coming to the t-shirt section, select a product from here. Now click on Start Design from here. On the next page, we have to import our design. Click on Upload from here and then upload the design. After uploading the image, set the size and the positions. After that, you can set the color variation. After everything is set, see a preview from here. From the preview panel, download some mock-up model images. After that, click on Save Product and then publish the product. Alright, our product is ready and we also downloaded some mock-up model images. Now it's time to generate some supermodels. And to do this, I will use an AI art generator called PromeAI. To find PromeAI, open a new tab on your browser and then search for PromeAI. After getting the search result, click on the first link. This is the PromeAI homepage. Now click on the login button to create an account. After creating the account, your interface will look like this one. PromeAI is not an ordinary AI art generator. It's a super special tool for designers. You will find a vast number of features on your dashboard. You can use them for various design purposes. This tool allows you to generate architectural design, interior design, product design, and many more. Even you can generate videos from images or text. Today, I will talk only about the supermodel feature. If you want to know more about PromeAI, let me know in the comment section. Alright, after selecting the supermodel feature, we have to upload the mock-up image. After uploading the mature mock-up model, you will notice the auto selection tool. Select only the t-shirt part of the image. If your model holds any other product, select the product. If the auto selection tool doesn't work properly, you can use the brush and eraser tool to fine-tune the selection. After selecting the product, we have to select the model. To do this, click on Select Model from here. Here you will find both male and female models. After selecting the model gender, select the model race. Here you will find models from all parts of the world, such as Asians, Middle Easterners, Mongolians, Europeans, African Americans, Australians, Indians, and others. After selecting the model gender and race, come to the Model Setting tab. Here we can customize the model. First of all, the hairstyle. Select your desired hairstyle from this vast library. After that, select the age of the model. Next, select the size. After that, the expression. And in the end, clothes. If you are making a model for any clothing product, always try to select related clothes. Okay, after completing the model setting, come to the background setting. Here you will find a vast number of background options in different outdoor and indoor environments and pure color. If you want to generate and use a custom background, come here and type your prompt. After selecting the background, set an option between enrichment and precision. After all is set, hit the Generate button. It will take hardly 30 seconds to generate the images. And here it is. PromeAI generates 3 images for us. Let's see the result. You may see the difference. Our newly generated model looks so stunning and professional. So download your newly generated Supermodel image. Click on the download icon from here, and our image has been saved on our device. Now let's create another Supermodel image with another product. This time I will create a model for this bag. After uploading the image, select the bag. After that, customize the model. If you want to generate a similar looking model, then don't change the model and model setting. Only change the outfit and background. After everything is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is. Our Supermodel with the bag is ready. Now you can edit the image by clicking here. You can upscale the image with the HD Upscaler tool. There are so many editing options available here. We can talk about them in another video if you want. Okay, now let's try another option. With the Image to Video tool, you can generate videos with this image. After coming to this page, set the motion value and then hit the Generate button. And here it is. Our video is ready. Okay, now if you have a virtual model, you can use face swap or deepfake technology to generate a supermodel with your own model's face. If you want to know how to make a virtual model, you can watch this video from the I button. I will put the video link in the description box as well. In this way, you can create your very own supermodel and promote your product. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating a supermodel with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!